Alright guys, so this is my attempt to make a homemade paint mixer. I've seen a lot of guys on YouTube and on Facebook where they use a Black & Decker jigsaw or something like that. They put a clamp on it and it essentially just shakes the paint for them. I do have a Black & Decker jigsaw, don't know where it is, but what I do have is I have one of these. It's a hand mixer blender thing. They come with these kind of things, little twisters. I think this is for kneading dough. So what I've done is I've taken the mixer, I've put this guy on it, okay, just basically with some sellotape. I also did it with this. This is a pill box, okay, pill box. So I have taken some sellotape, as I said, put it on the base of it, okay. And what I've done is I've put some tissue in the bottom just to stabilize it. I've taken a paint that's pretty much separated. I'll see if you can see this. Okay, so you can see it is very separated. Okay, so I'll pop that in. Pop this guy on top. So the tissue paper is just kind of holding in there in place. Close this. Take this guy, pop it in here, so we plug this in. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see how it turned out. All mixed up. Perfect. And all the stuff is out of the end as well. I'm not sure, I can't really see that because it's dark, but all that gunky stuff in the end, that's all mixed up as well. So there you go, dead easy. Okay, cheers.